So we are treating the powerful benefit of baking soda for poultry chickens, either broilers, layers, turkey, and other feathered birds. Do you want to get the maximum benefit, maximum growth, maximum egg drop in your laying birds? This ordinary kitchen product can help you do that. Could these cheap kitchen ingredients be the hidden secret helping smart poultry farmers reduce heat stress, improve feed efficiency, and keep broiler chickens growing at their best? Simple kitchen ingredients that can give you maximum benefit. Do you want to get the best weight in your broiler farms? You want your egg drop to be superb and you want strong egg quality? This video is for you. Are you a poultry farmer? Are you spending much on ordinary supplements? This video is the video you should watch. 15 benefits of baking soda for broiler chickens that help broilers grow faster and layers drop massive egg with quality eggs. What if I told you that one of the cheapest ingredients in your kitchen like this could help your broilers cope with heat stress, improve feed efficiency, and support better growth and performance? Stay tuned. Don't ever skip any track of this video. I will review 15 powerful benefits of this baking soda that every poultry farmer should know. Make sure you share this video at the end to reach more poultry farmers and give it a thumb up, because this video is the video you are waiting for. Now, what are the benefits of baking soda for poultry chickens? Number one, it helps poultry reduce heat stress. During hot weather, most especially during the dry period, chickens pant to control themselves, which can upset their acid-base balance in their system. During the panting period, they open their mouth wide to breathe. As they open their mouth, they cannot eat because it is the same mouth they will eat with, but they can't eat because they are trying to control the stress. There's no way they can eat. So this baking soda provides bicarbonate and acid-base minerals, helping birds better tolerate heat stress and reduce heat, and at the same time reduce mortality during this period. It improves feed efficiency. What is feed efficiency? That is getting the best benefit from the food you give to your poultry and livestock animals. If they eat the feed and they can't convert it, if you give them 10 bags of food, they eat it and they are not getting any weight, it means that feed is not efficient at all. Broilers that experience heat stress often maintain better feed intake and at the same time convert feed more efficiently into their body through the use of this product. It supports faster growth during heat stress. Birds under less physiological stress are more likely to keep eating and keep growing normally in the hot period. The more they eat, the more they gain weight and the more they convert the feed. It maintains acid-base balance. Baking soda helps stabilize blood pH, support normal metabolism and metabolic processes in their life. It improves electrolyte balance. It supplies sodium and bicarbonate, which work with potassium and chloride to maintain proper hydration and nerve and muscle function of poultry and livestock animals. It encourages better water intake. Broilers and other poultry, especially the laying birds, often drink more water. When the electrolyte balance is appropriate, it helps them prevent dehydration and maintain good body structure during hot weather. It helps reduce mortality during hot season. You know that most times, most of your big broilers always die during the hot period. The best broilers that you expect to make money from They always die during the hot period because of too much of fat in the system. So this helps reduce mortality during the hot season. By improving tolerance to heat stress, baking soda can contribute to lower heat-related mortality when combined with good ventilation and proper management. Support healthy digestion in poultry life. This stabilizes internal environment, supports natural digestive processes and nutrient utilization. It helps maintain appetite. Birds experiencing less heat and less heat stress are generally more willing to consume feed efficiently and consistently. It supports better weight gain. When birds maintain feed intake and hydration, they are better positioned to achieve their growth potential. It helps maintain good litter quality. If you are in an environment where people are complaining that your poultry house is smelling, when you add this to their feed or to their water, it maintains electrolyte balance, help laying birds or general poultry perform well, particularly during the period of heat stress. You know, during the heat stress, most of the poultry birds drop a lot of water, and this water mixed with their droppings and smells all over, and it causes what we call harmful bacteria, harmful parasites in form of either coccidiosis or any other that can affect the health of the poultry birds. But when you add this to their water, to their feed, it balances the electrolyte and help laying birds perform well, particularly during the hot period also. It contributes to stronger eggshell formation in laying birds. No matter the birds, either the table egg layers or breeders layers, the one that you hatch their eggs, or any of them, either turkey egg, any of them at all, because the bicarbonate in this plays a role in eggshell formation by providing a source of carbonate for shell and mineralization of the shell quality. It helps birds recover from environmental stress following transportation, vaccination, or sudden weather change. This baking soda balance can support birds, and for instance, you always use either honey, which is expensive, or any other multivitamin to welcome your new birds. You can make use of this baking soda to welcome your new birds, because you calm them down from the transport stress and the vaccination stress also. An affordable management tool for your poultry. Baking soda is inexpensive like all other ones I mentioned here, and are widely available, making it a practical option for supporting flock performance during changing of environment. How do you make use of this baking soda? Can we still discuss it here, or do we discuss it on the comment section? Now let me tell you, you can make use of this in the feed. You can as well make use of it in the water. Do not overuse baking soda, as excess of sodium carbonate in their birds affects their health generally. It is not a substitute for balanced diet, please. You must give your chicken balanced quality food with good protein, good fat, good energy, good minerals and vitamins and amino acids for you, with including clean water, ventilation, and proper biosecurity for you to get the best results. This is an addition to them also. The best results use baking soda as a part of comprehensive flock management program, especially during the hot weather or when your birds are overstressed. Baking soda is a simple, affordable supplement that can help poultry farmers manage heat stress and support overall flock performance. While it does not directly make broilers grow fat, it helps them to manage the environment and situations for them to grow fat. Do you get what I said here now? One, it hydrates them, calm them from stress, and boost their immunity. Therefore, they don't have any other option for them to continue growing well. So make use of this and thank me in the comment section. How do you make use of it? What percentage? 0.1 to 0.3% of the complete of this in a complete diet mix it properly in their feed, or you give 1 teaspoon into 10 liters of water. Serve to your poultry birds 3 times in a week. Don't exceed this, please, so that you will not have an adverse effect. Thank you for watching. If you need more explanation, please ask me on the comment section. I will always guide you more on how to make use of this to get the best result. This is my month of birth, July. Thank you, and my happy birthday wish on the comment section. Till then, bye.